Today's video is something really special. We are going to listen to a full morning routine in English. Every sentence is simple, clear, and natural, just like real people speak in the morning. And here is how this video works. I want you to listen carefully. Each sentence will be said 2 times. Then, you get a short pause to repeat it out loud. Say it, practice it, make it yours. You will not only listen, you will speak and practice. The more you repeat, the more natural your English becomes. It's really that simple. So, get comfortable. Maybe grab a cup of tea or coffee. Take a deep breath and let's begin. Your English is going to get better and better starting right now. Are you ready? Let's go! My alarm rings loudly, and I slowly reach for it. My alarm rings loudly, and I slowly reach for it. I open one eye before turning the alarm off. I open one eye before turning the alarm off. The room feels quiet and slightly cold this morning. The room feels quiet and slightly cold this morning. I stay in bed for one extra lazy minute. I stay in bed for one extra lazy minute. Finally, I sit up and stretch my sleepy arms. Finally, I sit up and stretch my sleepy arms. My body wakes slowly, but my mind starts thinking. My body wakes slowly, but my mind starts thinking. I walk to the bathroom with slow morning steps. I walk to the bathroom with slow morning steps. Cold water on my face wakes me up quickly. Cold water on my face wakes me up quickly. I brush my teeth while looking at myself. I brush my teeth while looking at myself. My reflection still looks tired in the mirror. My reflection still looks tired in the mirror. Soon I walk into the quiet kitchen downstairs. Soon I walk into the quiet kitchen downstairs. I fill the kettle and wait for hot water. I fill the kettle and wait for hot water. The soft boiling sound breaks the morning silence. The soft boiling sound breaks the morning silence. I make tea and hold the warm cup. I make tea and hold the warm cup. The first sip always feels calm and comforting. The first sip always feels calm and comforting. I stand near the window and watch outside. I stand near the window and watch outside. The street slowly fills with early morning movement. The street slowly fills with early morning movement. A few neighbors walk past with sleepy morning faces. A few neighbors walk past with sleepy morning faces. The sky turns brighter as the sun rises. The sky turns brighter as the sun rises. I check my phone for messages from last night. I check my phone for messages from last night. Sometimes there is news waiting quietly for me. Sometimes there is news waiting quietly for me. Other mornings, the phone stays silent and peaceful. Other mornings, the phone stays silent and peaceful. After that, I begin thinking about breakfast. After that, I begin thinking about breakfast. I toast bread and cook a simple egg. I toast bread and cook a simple egg. The smell of toast spreads across the kitchen. The smell of toast spreads across the kitchen. I sit quietly and enjoy the warm breakfast. I sit quietly and enjoy the warm breakfast. Morning meals always feel calm and unhurried. Morning meals always feel calm and unhurried. I drink another slow sip of hot tea. I drink another slow sip of hot tea. Soon it is time to start getting ready. Soon it is time to start getting ready. I wash the dishes and clean the counter. I wash the dishes and clean the counter. A tidy kitchen makes the whole morning feel better. A tidy kitchen makes the whole morning feel better. Then I return to my room and dress. Then I return to my room and dress. I choose clothes that feel simple and comfortable. I choose clothes that feel simple and comfortable. Before leaving, I check my bag very carefully. Before leaving, I check my bag very carefully. My phone, keys, and wallet must always be ready. My phone, keys, and wallet must always be ready. I take a deep breath before stepping outside. I take a deep breath before stepping outside. The fresh morning air feels cool and refreshing. The fresh morning air feels cool and refreshing. A new day begins as I start walking. A new day begins as I start walking. Wow, look at what you just did. You practice speaking every sentence out loud, clearly and confidently. This is exactly how your English improves. One small step at a time. Remember, shadowing is about consistency, not perfection. Even if a sentence felt tricky, you still spoke it. And that's the most important part. Speaking out loud every day. Take a moment to notice your progress. Feel how your mouth, your voice, and your brain are training together. Every practice like this makes you more confident, more fluent, more natural. If you enjoyed this session, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more practical, real-life English shadowing videos every week. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. And leave a comment below. Tell me what you want to practice next. You can also share this video with a friend who wants to improve their English naturally. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Celebrate every small step, every sentence you say out loud. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, enjoy the process. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for showing up today. You're doing something amazing for your English.